Kendujhar, a city nestled in the heart of Odisha, India, is a place where nature's artistry meets cultural richness. This city, often overlooked by mainstream tourism, holds a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. From its lush green hills that seem to touch the sky to its vibrant cultural tapestry, Kendujhar is a destination that promises to enchant every visitor. Known for its verdant landscapes and vibrant tribal heritage, Kendujhar is a living canvas of nature and tradition. The rolling green hills are not just a sight to behold, but also a sanctuary for a variety of flora and fauna. The tribal communities here have preserved their age-old traditions, and their dances and festivals are a vibrant display of their rich cultural heritage. Kendujhar offers a unique blend of tranquility and tradition. The peaceful natural scenery provides a perfect backdrop for the cultural festivals that are celebrated with great fervor. These festivals are not just events, but a way of life for the people here, reflecting their deep connection with nature and their ancestors. Situated in northeastern Odisha, Kendujhar is fondly called the Green Gateway of Odisha. This title is well deserved, as the city serves as a gateway to some of the most pristine natural landscapes in the region. The aerial views of Kendujhar reveal a city that is in perfect harmony with its natural surroundings. The city is a visual delight, with its cascading waterfalls, emerald hills, and dense forests. Each waterfall has its own story, and the hills and forests are home to a diverse range of wildlife. These natural wonders are not just beautiful, but also play a crucial role in the local ecosystem. Kendujhar's history dates back centuries. The ancient ruins and historical markers scattered across the city are silent witnesses to its glorious past. These remnants of history offer a glimpse into the lives of the people who once called this place home. It was once a princely state, and the architecture of the old palaces and heritage buildings still stands tall, narrating tales of a bygone era. These structures are not just architectural marvels, but also repositories of the region's rich history and culture. The city played a significant role in the region's political and cultural landscape. The historical landmarks and cultural relics found here are a testament to Kendujhar's importance in shaping the history of Odisha. Each relic has a story to tell, adding to the city's allure. Today, Kendujhar stands as a testament to its glorious past. The ancient monuments and historical sites are well preserved, allowing visitors to step back in time and experience the grandeur of the past. These sites are not just tourist attractions, but also important cultural heritage sites. The city welcomes travelers to experience its captivating beauty. Whether you are exploring the scenic landscapes or delving into the rich cultural heritage, Kendujhar offers an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable. The warmth and hospitality of the locals add to the charm of this beautiful city. Kendujhar is an ideal destination for those seeking respite from the ordinary. The serene natural spots and tranquil green spaces provide a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here you can reconnect with nature and find peace and tranquility. The city offers a journey into the heart of nature. The dense forests are home to a variety of wildlife, making it a paradise for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Exploring these forests is like stepping into a different world where nature reigns supreme. It provides a glimpse into the traditions of ancient tribes. The traditional tribal villages and ancient rituals offer a unique cultural experience. These tribes have preserved their way of life for centuries, and their customs and traditions are a fascinating aspect of Kendujhar's cultural heritage. Whether you are a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or a cultural explorer, Kendujhar has something to offer everyone. The nature trails, historical tours, and tribal cultural events provide a diverse range of activities for visitors. Each experience is unique and adds to the overall charm of the city. Come, lose yourself in the symphony of nature and culture that is Kendujhar. This city is not just a destination, but a journey into the heart of Odisha's natural and cultural heritage. Kendujhar invites you to explore, experience, and be enchanted by its beauty and charm. Kendujhar is renowned for its breathtaking waterfalls, each cascading down the hills with a majestic grace. Nestled in the heart of Odisha, these waterfalls are a testament to nature's raw beauty and power. The region is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The sound of water crashing against rocks, the sight of mist rising from the falls, and the lush greenery surrounding them create an enchanting atmosphere that captivates every visitor. Among these natural wonders, Sanakagara and Badakagara stand out as the most captivating. These two waterfalls are not just popular tourist destinations, but also hold significant cultural and historical importance. They are often the subject of local legends and stories passed down through generations, adding a layer of mystique to their already mesmerizing beauty. Sanakagara, meaning Milk River, lives up to its name. The waterfall is named for its milky white appearance, which is created by the frothy water cascading down the rocks. This natural phenomenon is a sight to behold, especially during the monsoon season, when the water flow is at its peak. The surrounding area is rich in biodiversity, making it a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers. The waterfall appears as a stream of milk cascading down the verdant slopes. The lush greenery around the falls adds to the scenic beauty, making it a perfect spot for picnics and nature walks. The area is also home to several rare plant species, adding to its ecological significance. Visitors often spend hours here, soaking in the natural beauty and tranquility. The roar of the water plunging into the pool below creates a mesmerizing symphony of nature. This natural orchestra is both soothing and awe-inspiring, providing a perfect backdrop for meditation and relaxation. The pool at the base of the waterfall is crystal clear, inviting visitors to take a refreshing dip in its cool waters. Badakagara, translating to Tiger Falls, is equally impressive. This waterfall is known for its powerful flow and dramatic drop, making it a favorite among adventure enthusiasts. The area around Badakagara is rugged and wild, offering numerous hiking trails and opportunities for rock climbing. The waterfall is also a popular spot for bird watching, with several species of birds making their home in the surrounding forest. The waterfall gets its name from the legend of a tiger that once leaped across its narrowest point. This story has been passed down through generations and adds a sense of adventure and mystery to the site. The narrow point of the waterfall is a popular spot for photographers, offering a unique perspective of the falls. The sight of the water plummeting from a great height is a sight to behold. The sheer force of the water creates a mist that rises up, creating a magical atmosphere. The area around the waterfall is dotted with viewing platforms, allowing visitors to take in the breathtaking views from different angles. The sound of the water crashing down is both exhilarating and calming, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers. These waterfalls are not just visual treats, they offer a range of activities for visitors, from hiking and birdwatching to photography and meditation. The natural beauty of the area attracts tourists from all over the world, making it a popular destination for both domestic and international travelers. The local tourism industry has flourished as a result, providing employment and economic benefits to the region. They're also considered sacred by the local tribes. The waterfalls are often the site of religious ceremonies and rituals, adding a spiritual dimension to their natural beauty. The local tribes believe that the waterfalls are inhabited by spirits and deities, and they perform rituals to honor and appease them. These ceremonies are a fascinating glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the region. They hold a special place in the region's folklore and mythology. The stories and legends associated with the waterfalls are an integral part of the local culture, passed down through generations. These tales add a layer of mystique and wonder to the waterfalls, making them even more enchanting. Visitors often gather around campfires in the evening to listen to these stories, creating a sense of community and shared experience. Dominating the landscape of Kendujhar is the majestic Kendujhar Hill, a towering natural wonder that stands as a testament to the region's rich biodiversity and cultural heritage. Rising above the surrounding plains, Kendujhar Hill is not just a geographical feature, but a symbol of the natural beauty and ecological significance of the area. This verdant paradise beckons nature lovers from far and wide, offering a sanctuary of lush greenery and tranquility. The dense forest cover is a vibrant tapestry of life, where every leaf and branch seems to whisper the secrets of the wild. The hill is home to a variety of flora and fauna, each species playing a crucial role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem. From towering trees to delicate flowers, and from elusive mammals to colorful birds, the biodiversity here is truly astounding. This makes Kendujhar Hill a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and birdwatchers. The forest is alive with the calls of exotic birds and the rustle of unseen creatures, offering endless opportunities for observation and discovery. Trekking through the dense forests of Kendujhar Hill is an experience in itself. The trails wind through a landscape that is both challenging and rewarding, leading adventurers to hidden waterfalls, serene glades, and panoramic viewpoints. The air is filled with the melodies of birdsong, creating a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. Each note is a reminder of the vibrant life that thrives in this untouched wilderness. The scent of wild orchids fills the air, adding a fragrant layer to the sensory experience of exploring Kendujhar Hill. These delicate blooms are a testament to the hill's rich botanical diversity. The hill is also home to several ancient temples, each with its own story to tell. These sacred sites are nestled amidst the forest, blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings. These temples add a touch of spirituality to the natural grandeur, offering a place for reflection and reverence. The serene environment enhances the spiritual experience, making it a place of pilgrimage for many. The temples attract pilgrims and history enthusiasts alike, drawn by the rich cultural heritage and the stories etched in stone. Each visit is a journey through time, connecting the present with the past. The panoramic view from the summit of Kendujhar Hill is breathtaking. From this vantage point, one can see the vast expanse of the forest below, the rolling hills in the distance, and the sky stretching endlessly above. You can see the entire city spread out below, a bustling hub of activity that contrasts sharply with the serene natural beauty of the hill. This juxtaposition highlights the unique position of Kendujhar Hill as a bridge between nature and civilization. The view extends to the distant hills, creating a sense of endless possibility and adventure. Each peak and valley holds its own mysteries waiting to be explored. A visit to Kendujhar Hill is a journey into the heart of nature's embrace. It is an opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with the natural world. It is also an opportunity to connect with the spiritual heritage of the region, to walk in the footsteps of those who have come before, and to find peace and inspiration in the beauty of Kendujhar Hill. Nestled in the heart of Kendujhar is the Similipal Wildlife Sanctuary, a biodiversity hotspot that showcases the best of Odisha's natural heritage. This protected area is a haven for a wide variety of flora and fauna, some of which are endangered. Similipal is a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. The sanctuary is home to Bengal tigers, Indian elephants, leopards and gores. Lucky visitors might catch a glimpse of these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Similipal's diverse landscape includes dense forests, grasslands and waterfalls. This variety of habitats supports a rich ecosystem. The sanctuary is also a bird watcher's paradise. Over 200 species of birds have been recorded here. Kendujhar is a paradise for bird enthusiasts, with a plethora of avian species gracing its skies and forests. The Similipal Wildlife Sanctuary, in particular, is a haven for bird watchers. The sanctuary is home to over 200 species of birds, including migratory birds that visit during the winter months. From the vibrant kingfishers to the majestic peacocks, Kendujhar's birdlife is a sight to behold. The sanctuary's diverse habitats provide a home for a wide variety of bird species. You can find birds of prey, water birds, and forest birds. Birdwatching tours are a popular activity in Kendujhar. These tours allow visitors to observe these winged wonders in their natural habitat. Whether you are an avid bird watcher or simply appreciate the beauty of nature, Kendujhar's avian diversity is sure to captivate you. Kendujhar experiences a tropical climate with distinct summer, monsoon and winter seasons. Summers from March to May are hot and humid, with temperatures soaring to 40 degrees Celsius. The monsoon season, from June to September, brings relief from the heat. The region comes alive with lush greenery. Waterfalls are in full flow, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Winters from October to February are pleasant and comfortable, with temperatures ranging from 10 to 25 degrees Celsius. This is the best time to visit Kendujhar. The weather is ideal for outdoor activities. You can explore the natural beauty of the region. Kendujhar is home to a significant tribal population, with major tribes like the Bunja, Chwanga and Kolha inhabiting the region. These tribes have preserved their unique cultural practices and traditions for centuries. Their dances, music and art forms are a testament to their rich heritage. The tribes of Kendujhar live in harmony with nature. They depend on the forests for their livelihood. Their knowledge of medicinal plants and their sustainable practices are remarkable. Visiting a tribal village is a must-do activity in Kendujhar. It offers a glimpse into a way of life that is both fascinating and inspiring. Interacting with the tribal people allows visitors to learn about their customs, beliefs, and way of life.